So I heard it in the kitchen. There was water dripping. I came out of the kitchen and saw the wall was looking funny, and I saw the water coming down into the walkway. I immediately went upstairs to our neighbor, and the contractor was there. They were renovating their kitchen. One of his men drilled a hole and hit a water pipe, and that's what caused the drain. The first thing that happened is that our agent at Hoffman Brown recommended Allied to do the work. That was the first thing that happened before we got the adjuster involved.
Maria inspired great confidence and was very empathetic. The people who had anything to do with coming out seemed to go about things in a very methodical and seemingly sensible way, checking both sides of this wall behind you to get a feeling for where the damp was and tracking the damp more or less.
They're very professional.
And it was very systematic.
And Maria was very, very in love with Murray, with our dog.
Yes, well.
Okay. The insurance company was great. I mean, they did everything. I mean, Craig Marston was the adjuster. He said, "Not to worry. We're gonna take care of you." They got us the hotel. They to stay in while the work was going on. Their adjuster, I mean, he was available whenever we wanted him, and he took care of everything. And Safeco was right on the job, and they approved everything. They kept calling to see if everything was going okay. Brenda Hutchinson was her name, and she's still there, and she still calls. She's nice the one that recommended Allied.
I'd give him a 10.
I'd give him a 10.
Would you recommend us to family or friends?
We would. Not only would we have.
Yeah, we would. No question.
It was unbelievable how everything got back.
Excellent.
It was. It really was.
It was very, very professional, the whole thing.